Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on OPPO Reno 14 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Then you can click open and click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions, and now select the AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can go back. Now you can go back again and click start, and as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.